Today we are going over section 1.3 solving equations. More importantly, we're going to work on multi-step equation. So again, multi-step equation meaning that you're going to be using multiple steps, meaning multiple operation. You could be using addition with subtraction, addition with multiplication, addition with division, or subtraction with multiplication, any combination that entails, so that way we can get the variable by itself. First example, 5x equals 2 times the sum of 3 plus x. Now given this type of problem, we want to get the variables to one side and numbers to the other side. The problem is, even though we have x on both sides, we can't do anything to the x until we have simplified the right side, meaning that we have this 2 outside the parenthesis. So I can't remove the x from the right side and have it on the left side until I simplify with this 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute the 2 to everything inside the parenthesis. So it's going to be 5x equal 3 times 2 plus x times 2. So that would simplify into 3 times 2 is 6. Positive x times positive 2, so it would be 2x. Now from there, it's okay if you want x to be on the left side or on the right side. Now typically, I would have where x is on one side and numbers on the other side. In this case, my number is 6. It's on the right side. So that means that I need all my variables to the left side. So what I'm going to do, in order to cancel out positive 2x, I'm going to write the opposite, which is negative 2x. What I do on the right side, I have to do the same thing on the left side of the equal sign. So the 2x, positive and negative, will cancel out. So on my right side, my left side, 5x minus 2x, that becomes 3x, equal, I bring down the 6. Now, even though they cancel, I don't have to put the 0. So that's okay. I can leave it as 3x equals to 6. Now, I am almost done. I need to get x by itself. There's a 3 in front of it. It's 3 times x. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide by the number in front of x, which is 3. Since I did it on the left side, I got to do the same thing on the right side. So 3x divided by 3, that would simply be x, or 1x. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So our final answer is x equals 2. In this next example, we have 6 times this difference between x and minus 1 equal to 2 times the sum of negative 9 and x. So this one's going to involve more steps than the previous example, but it's going to be basically the same process. So what I'm going to do is, since we have parentheses, I'm going to distribute to everything that's inside. Now I'm just going to do all the steps so that the process is easy to understand. X times positive 6 minus 1 times positive 6 equal negative 9 times positive 2 plus x times positive 2. X times 6, that's simply 6x. Negative 1 times 6, minus 6. Negative 9 times 2, negative 18. Positive x times 2 plus 2x. Alright, what I'm going to do here is 2 steps at once, meaning that I'm going to get variables on one side, which I choose the x to be on the left side, and I'm going to have numbers on the right side. So first, variables. If I want all my variables to the left side, I need to cancel out this 2x, which is on the right side of the equal sign. Opposite of positive 2x is minus 2x. Since I did it on the right side, do the same thing on the left side. Now, once I get all the x's on the left side, I need to get all the numbers to the right side. So on my left side, I have minus 6. So I need to cancel out minus 6 in order to have it on the right side. The opposite of minus 6 is plus 6. Since I did it on the left side, I gotta do it on the right side. Alright. 6x minus 2x, that become 4x. Don't forget my equal sign. And then negative 18 plus 6, that become negative 12. Now I got 4x equals negative 12. I'm almost done. It's 4 times x, so the opposite of multiplication is division. Divide by 4, divide by 4. 4x divided by 4 simply become x. Negative 12 divided by positive 4, that becomes negative 3. So our final answer is x equal negative 3. In this example, we have negative 4 times the difference between 2x minus 5 equal 3 times the difference between 5 minus x. So just like in the previous example, in order to simplify both sides, I need to distribute the negative 4 on the left and the positive 3 on the right. Positive 2x times negative 4 minus 5 times negative 4 equal positive 5 times positive 3 minus x times positive 3x. Now when I have that, 2x times negative 4, negative 8x, minus 5 times negative 4, that become positive 20, equal positive 5 times positive 3, 15, minus x times positive 3 minus 3x. Now, just like in the last example, I want to do 2 steps at once. I want to get variables on the left side and numbers on the right side. But you don't have to follow the exact order I did or I'm doing. You can have variables on the right side and numbers on the left side as long as you do all the work correctly. But I choose to have my variables on the left side. So on my right side, I have the minus 3x. The opposite is plus 3x. So I add 3x on the right side, add 3x on the left side. And I want all my numbers on the right side. So on the left, I have plus 20. So the opposite of plus 20 is minus 20. So minus 20 on the left side, minus 20 on the right side. Now again, all I did was combine the variables together, numbers together. Alright, 15 minus 20, I'm working on the number side. So that's going to be negative 5. Now my variable is negative 8x plus 3x, that's going to become negative 5x. Bring down the equal sign. So it's negative 5x divided by equal negative 5. Now if I want x by itself, I need to remove the negative 5. Right now it's negative 5 times x. Opposite is divide by negative 5. Divide by negative 5. So x equal negative 5 divided by negative 5, positive 1. So this is our final answer.